our children. That is what makes Morning Matters. The Dr. Selma Dietch Center for Children and Teens delivers primary health care and wraparound services to over 6,000 children in the Manchester area each year, regardless of their ability to pay. Newborns, toddlers, children, and teens up to the age of 21 have access to annual wellness checkups, eye exams, behavioral health, therapy, mental health visits. Our teens also have access to programs to learn about how to make healthy choices, relationships, sexuality, and drug education geared towards positive adolescent development. Accomplishing that has become a new challenge as a result of COVID-19, with our children's life upheaved on countless levels. They have had to deal with mandatory school isolation, being physically separated from their peers, their teachers, extended families, and community support. Too many of our children are in families that have either lost their job or lost some income, not knowing where their next meal might come from. Our children are too young to comprehend what is happening in their homes and behind the scenes, living in a home 24/7 without interaction with other people. Before the pandemic, children found safety in their schools. They were being educated, receiving school lunches, socializing with peers, away from often time troubles at home. They also had a wonderful eye watching over them, their teacher. School closures took away that safety net from underneath our children, not making the problem go away. Just unreported and without action taken. You can't help but wonder how many of our children have fallen through the cracks of the system because of the pandemic. That's where the Selma Dietch Centers shine. We never close our doors to any of our family or our children. Morning Matters is about stepping up to the plate this morning and ensuring that never happens to our children at risk. The money raised here this morning is solely for our children and their care. Not administrative costs, not salaries, and not supplies. Your contribution will directly impact the children we serve, understanding that they face struggles that could jeopardize their health, both physically and emotionally. These children deserve all that we can give them, which is at the very least a chance for them to be successful and have healthy lives. Nothing would make Dr. Dietch happier than to be here this morning to see how we are taking care of our children. We need each one of you to fill your hearts for all of these children and to think how we can help them in our most generous way and help Dr. Dietch in her memory. Thank you.